Hi, I'm Emilie, member of the Pro Team. In this video, I will show you True Nature glitter as a part of my festive look. First, I refresh the skin with micellar water. I prep the skin with collagen cream to give a nice smooth effect and give a lot of hydration. I do it with my hands so I can feel where the skin needs more product. Then I use digital complexion free to perfect the skin with a dewy finish. I emphasize the eyes with the eyeshadow variety palette V5. I start with a more soft color with a soft brush to really give that nice blending effect, and then I build up with stronger colors. I start from the corners of the eyes and I go blend always inside. Finally, I use deep black to create more depth. I'm sure that many of you experience fallout when you're working with eyeshadows. You take some makeup blend on a brush and you swap it away. Don't forget always to clean your brush in between. To create an iridescent layer, I use satin powder. Satin powder is an iridescent loose eyeshadow. I use a densely packed brush to have less fallout. I put it in the center of the eyelid to create a halo effect. I also apply it in the center of the bottom lash line. I use HG Cream Liner Ebony to intensify the depth in the outer corners of the eyes. Now I prep the eyelashes with the eyelash curler. Now I give the lashes a coating with deep black mascara. I prefer to apply the mascara before applying True Nature glitter because it prevents fallout sticking on the face. To shape the eyebrows, I use the eyebrow powder. Slightly extend the tail of the eyebrow and fill in the gaps between the hair. Then I apply eyebrow foaming gel to keep the hair in place. It brings also back the natural shine in the hair. And then I use multi-gel primer. I apply it only on the place where I want to apply the glitter. A little amount that you don't make it too wet, but just a little bit sticky. I asked the model to keep her eyes closed so it doesn't stick together. Now the star of the look, True Nature glitter. In order to give it a more dynamic result, I mix two colors. I press the glitter with a brush to have less fallout and that it sticks well in the primer. True Nature glitter is 100% free of non-degradable polymer or plastic components, vegan and not tested on animals. After completed the eye makeup, I refresh the skin with digital complexion concealer underneath the eyes. From the Habitat collection of blusher tones, I'll be using the contour colors to shape the face. To add a wash of color on the cheek, I use a new release cream brush in color Midnight Mulberry. I use the same color on the lips. I create highlights using satin powders. I mix two colors to create her skin tone. I apply it on the cheekbones, a little bit on the chin, and on the nose. I also use it in the inner corner of the eyes. To plump up the lips, I use a little bit of satin powder on the Cupid's bow. To give an extra shine on the lips, I use High Gloss Crystal Rose. With Translucent Compact Event, I take away the excess shine. I lock in this look with fixing spray to ensure the makeup stays all night. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye!